We're excited with the launch of Prêt-à-Template 4.0, a new chapter in how fashion is created today. Let's compare its features with the previous version side by side using a split screen mode. First, you'll find a familiar left side menu with all the templates that the app has to offer. Bodies, garments, accessories, shoes, bags, jewelry, and illustrated templates. The main difference is the puzzle look feature that allows you to create a customized template is now located in the bodies section. Once you open one of these options, you get a new puzzle icon on top of the screen with all the template categories, like before, to pick and combine the look that you like. Notice the new AI icon that allows you to describe a look or style and get a ready selection. You can use it right away or edit each piece separately. The rest of the side menu is pretty much the same, including podcast and tutorials. The big new update is that now, each template in our library can be used in two ways using this picture icon on top. Switch from the original outline look to a new 3D rendered in off-white, adding more creative choices for your presentation. You can also edit the color or material of this rendered template from its layer in the project using AI. The gallery, the space that features all your projects, now has a new look. Let's hide the side menu to explore further. The top area has All Projects folder, which is like a default folder we had before. That has, well, all your projects. Tap on the small arrow to open a full screen view of all its contents. Let's take a look at the folders that were located in the top part of the screen. Now they are below, and you can scroll down to view them all and scroll horizontally to preview their contents. You'll find your existing folders organized in this way with their respective names. Let's tap on the small arrow icon to open the folder. You'll notice that each folder starts with a new feature, a mood board, which we will take a closer look at later. Here you can edit its contents, rename the folder, import and delete projects. You can create new folders using this icon in the top right corner. Open it, tap on the plus icon and add the projects to it. Tap on the mood board to open it. It's a much anticipated fantastic new feature that deserves a separate tutorial. Now let's compare the two canvases and the new drawing tools by opening the same template, side by side. You'll notice that the background now has a realistic paper look that can be edited. This can be done from the Layers menu, using the background layer that has a variety of options with different texture effects and a range of colors. New layers are added with the plus icon here and have the visibility switched with the toggle. Each layer has the menu with more features like multiply mode, merging, an AI feature for editing each layer's contents that also deserves a separate review. And the last icon here allows to add in AI-generated images and add pictures from the Photos app too. Now, the last layer has the template opacity toggles, which used to be as a separate menu on top of the screen. Instead, here we have another new feature, an orb menu, where you can set the light direction and see the wonderful dimensionality of material textures that we're about to discover. The last icon here becomes active with a puzzle look template that we have already checked. The redo and undo buttons are now located on the toolbar itself. Now let's take a closer look at the toolkit. You can pull the menu to position it on any side of the screen, or swipe to the corner and tuck it away. The range of familiar tools has expanded, and the sizing of the brushes is done for each tool separately. Plus now there's an option to alter the opacity as well. The brushes have that comfortable glide and make creating confident, expressive fluid lines so easy. Here's a brief comparison, and as you can see there are quite a few more options, including the spray and hair brushes. There's the scissors tool that now has a knife icon for copying, moving, sizing, and mirroring selections. The threads tool is also here with the same brushes that allow adding buttons, ruffles, ropes, and more. The exciting new feature is with the introduction of the materials. Here we had the familiar patterns tool, which now has the extension that offers a selection of realistic materials that can be applied as a brush. Alter the size and direction of the fabric in the orb menu using this icon. This allows to apply it following the direction of the garment and offers more flexibility in rendering. And all the color tools are still here: grid, spectrum, and sliders. With a palettes icon including our familiar ranges for skin, hair, eyes, lip selections that we know and love. As we are constantly working to enhance your experience with Prêt-à-Template app and make your creative space wider, faster, and more exciting, we hope you are thrilled to explore the new features and enjoy experiencing the new tools.